At our cosmetics facility, we manufacture Glister and Artistry. It's a plant where precision mixing meets high-speed filling. First, teams carefully measure ingredients, some even from our Nutrilite farms. Then they're added into our mixing tanks. During this process, a variety of checks happen to ensure each batch is being created per a strict recipe. Once blended, the formula heads to our filling stations. Here, high-precision nozzles dispense toothpaste into tubes or skincare formulas into bottles and jars. Automated machinery checks each container for the right fill level and a secure seal, ensuring no product is wasted per our rigorous standards. After a final inspection for label alignment and package integrity, we pack these finished goods. From the initial mix to the final seal, our focus is delivering pure, safe, and effective products that help you look and be your best.